Hello, 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 water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Welcome to my channel, and now let's manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading na Mismo. Okay, so na-pre-shuffle ko na tong cards. All I have to do is cut. And bubunit ako ng isang card from this deck and another from the other deck. And alamin natin kung ano ang overall energy between you and your person. So, first card, Queen of Coins. Okay. Abundance. Okay, and tingnan natin yung kapares niya. Okay. So, this is a love message and energy check-in para sa water signs. Paired with King of Wands. Alright. A Queen and a King. So you might be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung stronger energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Check their Moon, Venus, Rising placements, baka earth and fire sign sila sa mga placements na yun. Okay, going back, so there's a lot of stability na nakikita ko dito pagdating sa inyong relationship. And itong overall energy na nasasagap ko from the collective is, ito yung relationship that you can actually depend on. Both parties. Parang, alam mo na you can depend on your person and your person can depend on you. And there's a lot of comfort in the relationship. And the fact na you can depend on each other, you feel comfortable talaga sa relationship, walang feeling na parang may hesitation na magpakatotoo. Okay? Kasi alam nyo din talaga na yung authentic self ninyo pag kayo magkasama is mas napapakita nyo pa kasi nga sobrang comfy kayo sa isa't isa. You're comfortable to share your emotions, your thoughts, and what's in your heart, in your mind, and even physically, yung sensual aspect ng relationship. Very comfy kayo talaga sa isa't isa, and that's really good. It's a very good energy. Tapos paired pa siya with King of Wands, and King of Wands is has the energy of very good relationship dynamics. Tapos meron pang you trust each other dahil punong-puno ng honesty itong relationship na to. And when you do something, kung ano may mga relationship goals kayo, both are very bold and proactive. So, wala nang intayan pa. Alam ninyo kung ano yung mga roles ninyo. Alam niyo kung saan kayo accountable. And you do your part without even asking it. Kasi alam niyo na nga yung kailangan yung gawin or roles na ginagampanan niyo sa relationship. That's why you can depend on each other. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan na parang, oy, gawin mo naman to. Oy, gusto ko to. Oy, parang mas feel ko to. Ganon. So, itong relationship na to, both parties medyo mataas ang EQ kumpara sa iba. And kaya it's working really well. Very positive energy. That's a good overall energy. And now, tingnan natin ang energy on your end using this deck. And before I pull it, again, gusto ko i-remind everyone that this is a general and collective love reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. So, yeah. So, ano ang nararamdaman mo ngayon with regards to this energy? Bakit? And anong balak mong gawin about it? The Chariot. Oops. The Chariot, Judgment, and the Hanged Woman or the Hanged Man. The Hanged One ay Major Arcana lahat. And yeah, very very positive pa rin naman. What I can see here, what you feel about this relationship is, alam mo na nararamdaman mo talaga na very clear ang intention ninyo sa isa't isa, ang motive for being in a relationship. And alam mo na magpo-progress ito to something better. If you're aiming for next level, next chapter, a new milestone sa relationship, madali nyong ma-achieve yun. Kasi given this energy nga na very stable, very abundant, very secure, alam mo na mas magpo-progress pa siya into something better. And itong pag-progress na to is even faster than you actually expected. So that's a very good energy towards the relationship. Very optimistic din kayo. And some more with the judgment card going up here. There's bakit mo siya nafe-feel is because ito yung relationship na nag-redeem sa inyo from past experiences na hindi nagpasaya sa inyo. And naramdaman nyo to na nung nakilala nyo tong person nito, iba talaga. Alam nyo na ito na yung tamang relasyon, ito na yung relationship that would last, and versus dun sa mga past relationship or past experiences ninyo pagdating sa pag-ibig, ibang-iba talaga ito. Sobrang layo ng gap. Sobrang ito kung masasabi nyo pa nga na ito na-reach niya yung 100%. Kung yung iba parang hindi man na umabot ng 50, ito ibang-iba talaga siya. Kaya very positive din kayo na mas magiging better pa itong relationship ninyo. And what you're going to do about it, actually, you're just going to wait and see. And you're actually just patiently waiting na mag-unfold yung mga events sa relationship ninyo. At the moment, actually, parang ine-enjoy mo lang yung happy times. And with the hand one energy, it's just really you're just surrendering and accepting the current situation, which is very happy, very positive. And parang dahil positive na nga yung present moment, alam mo, and you have faith na magiging okay pa to, kaya comfortable ka nga and in-enjoy mo lang itong mga positive things na nangyayari. Present moment, the love, the care, the affection na ine-enjoy nyo together as a couple. Yung mga nare-receive mo rin na acts of love and kindness from your person. You're just really having a good time at the moment. Kaya parang hindi mo na siya in-overthink, hindi mo na rin pinaplano kasi sure na sure ka na that everything will go well naman sa relationship na ito. Now, let's find out ano naman ang energy o anong nararamdaman ng person mo ngayon towards this overall energy here sa connection. Bakit at anong balak niyong gawin about it? Queen of Cups. Alright. 3 of Cups. Okay. And 5 of Wands. Okay. Sige. So what he feels at the moment, so much love. I mean, talagang mahal ka nito at masaya siya na you're also reciprocating at alam niya na mahal mo rin siya. It's a very there's a lot of care, a lot of nurturing love going on, give and take. So you feel it, nafe-feel din niya. And here alam niya na same thing. I can sense here na kung nafe-feel mo na ito magpo-progress to, ito alam din niya, and through proper care, tender loving care pa from his end or her end, ayun yung ma-achieve nyo, yung milestone na nafe-feel mo rin na mangyayari soon. And bakit niya ito nararamdaman? Kasi nga na-feel niya nga yung effort nyo together sa relationship na to with the Three of Cups, there's um, a lot of support. Kaya niya na-feel na everything will go well din, and na masaya siya, he felt or she felt loved, and there's so much love to give also from your person's end. And kaya niya na-feel to kasi first, na nararamdaman naman niya din na nag-effort ka towards him or her, and yung support na nakukuha niya is buong buo, walang parang hesitation yung support na binibigay mo. And here, na-establish na talaga yung relationship ninyo na this is something that would last. Para sa kanya, parang establish na tong relationship na to. Kaya, very optimistic din siya sa kahinatan ng relationship. However, ano yung balak niyang gawin with the Five of Wands showing up here is meron lang siguro siyang internal conflict on what to do about it. Kasi parang feeling niya may dapat pa siyang gawin. Pero in fact naman, parang wala na. I think on your end, parang ina-assure mo na siya din na you don't have to do more. Enjoy, kasi nga ikaw, yung energy mo, in-enjoy mo na lang yung present moment. And you want him or her to enjoy as well. To just focus on the present, live at the moment, enjoy the memories that you're creating together at the present. Pero kasi siya, parang inisip niya, ano pa yung pwedeng magawa para sa mga susunod na araw pa ma-sustain itong happy times na ina-enjoy nyo together. Pero para sa'yo, parang no, just focus on the present. Itong future, sure naman na tayo that everything will be alright as long as we work together. Although sa kanya kasi medyo may conflict din yun, internal conflict itong nararamdaman niya na what to do. Parang gusto niya enjoy yung moment, pero parang napapafocus nga siya sa anong pang pwedeng gawin or ano yung future ng mga activities or mga need niyang gawin for this relationship to really grow pa and maging sustainable siya for both of you. Pero again, I think it's just an overthinking on your person's end. And yeah, maybe try to just comfort your person. Again, King of Wands and Queen of Coins, yung energy kanina sabi ko, there's komportable naman kayo sa isa't isa. So, make him or her more comfortable to enjoy the present moment. Yun. And now, tingnan natin ano yung challenges na pwede nyo kaharapin given a very positive naman to. Ano pa yung pwedeng maging challenge ba? At paano nyo ito ma-resolve? Okay, strength and paired with bakit naging challenge yung strength? Let's find out sa kapares niya. Ten of yeah. So, yun nga, I think kasi yung pwedeng maging challenge dito in relation to the strength card is parang too much effort may lead to parang yung feeling na nagiging obligation na yung mga ginagawa. Kasi nga may tendency yung person mo na yun nga, kung ikaw in-enjoy mo yung moment, parang siya hindi niya fully ma-enjoy kasi may mga in-overthink siya na kay ano pa yung pwedeng mangyari. Actually, for your person, parang okay na yung relationship pero may mga kailangan pang ma-improve para mas mag-grow pa yung relationship. And kaka-focus niya doon, medyo nagiging burdensome na para sa kanya, sa end niya, when in fact hindi naman kailangan kasi nga okay naman na kayo. And the more parang effort na nabibigay, which is more than necessary, yun, kaya na-exhaust at nagiging parang burden yung pag-effort dun sa person mo. And careful yun kasi nga baka yung supposedly okay na energy at the moment, again, this is the current energy kasi, baka mag-shift siya to something na too much na. So, dapat moderation lang, balanced. Ikaw yung mag-pull sa kanya dito sa present moment kasi masyado siya nakafocus na sa future, which is not bad. It's good. It's just about preparation. Pero, yun nga, ang nangyari is, nakafocus siya dyan na wawala yung focus niya dito sa present moment na dapat ninyong ina-enjoy sana together. And yeah, that's a very minimal challenge yung nakikita ko naman. And yung pag-uama, parang ang ano na niya parang ang nangyayari is nag-create na siya ng maraming scenarios para ma-mitigate whatever yung mga challenges or hardship na pwede nyong kaharapin. And in fact, kanya naman siyang gawin together and along the way, ma-resolve niyo naman siya. So, ayun, medyo ano lang siya, parang ang dami niyang mitigation plans na to the point na nakafocus na siya dun sa pwedeng mangyari na hindi na again, pwede palang mangyari but that doesn't mean na mangyayari talaga. Okay? And now, let's find out ano naman yung mga opportunities na pwede dumating sa inyo and paano nyo siya hindi ma-miss and paano nyo siya mag-grab agad pag dumating yung opportunity na to. Okay. Temperance, balance, moderation, harmony, that's the opportunity. And paired with strength. See? Ninano lang niya again, parang kinonfirm lang din niya yung sinabi ko kanina, which is, see, my cards don't lie. Talaga. So you can see, yung strength can be a challenge, but also yung strength energy can be an opportunity as well. So, okay lang yun. Tama lang naman na iniisip mo yung future, iniisip mo yung na ma-mitigate. May mga mitigation plans ka na. Pagdating na kapag ganito, kung wari, may mga long-term goals kayo o kapag ikakasal na tayo, ito dapat yung mangyari para hindi tayo financially ma-exhaust or kapag bibuild tayo ng pamilya, ito yung mga kailangan gawin para ready tayo in terms of parenting. Yung mga ganon na yes, tama lang yun, but temperance card is showing up here. That's the opportunity. Yung mga darating is this is an opportunity for you to put it in moderation. May paparating na mga events in your life that would test actually this energy of temperance and strength. And again, how you put it in moderation, yung itong mga inaayos ninyo, mga mitigation plans, may mga events in your life. Pwedeng na ito, opportunity to build a family. Pero dito nyo nga ma-apply yung moderation na enjoy yung moment pero nagpa-plan din kayo ahead. Hindi puro plan tapos hindi nyo na-enjoy yung present moment. Hindi rin tama na enjoy yung present moment tapos bahala na yung future. Okay? So, again, it's just a matter of moderation. Okay? And with moderation, nagkakaroon ng peace of mind din kasi wala kayong masyadong too much na iniisip or wala rin naman to the point na hindi nyo na iniisip na eventually kapag may dumating yung isang situation, parang mararatal kayo kasi hindi rin kayo ready. Okay? Moderation. So now, given this energies. Very positive na actually parang yung opportunities and challenges, actually even the challenges is leaning towards opportunity. For me, yung energy hindi naman siya parang sobrang laking issue or a blockage sa happy or very positive overall energy between you and your person. Kailangan nyo lang talagang maging aware na sa mga bagay-bagay, which is ito nga yung, well, basically yung mga sinabi ko individually and the combined sort of, I would say, tasks ba na kailangan yung gawin together as a couple moving forward, di ba? Okay, now, alamin naman natin ano yung final message ni Universe sa inyo. But before I pull the cards, the last pair for this reading, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng subscribers and to all water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystical Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated ng inyong love and support, and I would like to invite everyone to like, share, comment kapag natapos nyo na itong reading at lalo na ako nag-resonate sa inyo. It really helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago na nakasubaybay ngayon, kung nagko-connect kayo sa akin at sa mga readings ko, subscribe na po kayo para maging part din kayo ng collective. So, sa mga susunod ko pong reading, I can tap more din sa energy ninyo. And I would like to invite everyone to follow my Instagram account, Mystical Moreno, for more updates, lalo na sa mga pop-up readings ko. And kung gusto nyo ng deep dive, kung itong situation nagre-resonate sa inyo at gusto nyo pa ng deep dive, you can book a private reading sa akin. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Okay, now, going back, tignan natin kung ano yung final message ni Universe niyo at ano yung best action moving forward. Oops. Now, wala yung focus niya. Ayan. That's weird. Okay, so I think one of the messages focus. Pero yeah, it's very rare na out of focus siya. Pero let's find out. Ace of Swords and paired with Seven of Wands. Yes, so final message sa inyo again. Any challenge kaya nyo ma-overcome given this energy na there's a lot of stability, dependability, security, yung support system, comfy kayo sa isa't isa, safe space nyo ang isa't isa. Any challenge na kakaharapin nyo ay mare-resolve at there's always fresh start. Kada challenge nyo mag-end siya eventually, and that challenge will become even opportunities for you sa pag-grow, sa mga learnings, and it even would help pa sa mga relationship goals ninyo na mas materialize pa siya, yung mga minamanifest ninyo together, mas mangyayari pa siya. And here with the Ace of Swords energy here na just be honest. King of Wands is a card of honesty. Ituloy nyo lang yun. Just be truthful. Kung again may mga bagay-bagay na kailangan pag-usapan, upuan nyo siya agad and just be honest about it. Always initiate a conversation kapag hirap yung isa. And now that you nakakapanood kayo nito, so mas kayo nagkakaroon ng insight and guidance, just to maintain this energy, always put yung trust sa bawat isa and magkaroon kayo ng ng talagang honest conversations lagi. It helps. Honest conversation helps all relationships, and yun yung magiging key para ma-overcome nyo whatever challenges na darating sa relationship ninyo. Ayan, so it's a very good reading. Sana nakatulong itong reading sa inyo para mabigyan kayo ng guidance and insights. And always use my readings with discernment. Ayan. So, kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Ingat!